How to make this type of video in Canva. So many of you have asked me how do you make an animated design or a business design video. So this was a simple example which I'm going to demonstrate you today. First of all, go to Canva and select video. I'll be using a 1920 by these dimensions, 1920 by 1080, and here's the new tab. So now I have selected this new video, and from backgrounds I'm going to select, and from here this color palette I will select this one. I will select this one. Now I'm going to select some add some text to my page and just add a heading, and for the first heading it was social media tips. So this is the text, and I'm going to select the font is a Lato. Then the colors of the font will be white, and I'm going to expand this to 50 font size, a bit more, maybe to 70, and we'll move the letter spacing a bit. This is looking better. Okay, and I'll move this a bit down, and from elements panel, the one I used was this one. So I've selected this and I'm going to resize it a bit, move it to the right, and the animation which I'm going to give to these elements, animation elements, and I'm going to put them this. Also this one I'm going to put the animate this one also. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go to the second slide. I'm going to I can resize the timings, reduce the timings by dragging the panel, by clicking these three dots, and then I'm going to capitalize it. And still there is another thing which I need to do, is the spacing is very much smaller in my previous. Yes, now this is looking better, more like my previous one animated. Let me see this. See, now let me see what is the font size is 70, and it's Code Pro. I've selected Code Pro in this video, and now I'm showing you with the Lato font, and it's also looking good. Maybe if I'll do it a capitalized version, bold a bit. So let's see if it changes a bit. Yes, it's looking good, and I think I can expand a bit. Now since I've changed this first slide, now I'm going to duplicate it. I deleted the earlier duplicated slide, and now here it is. The second slide is lead generation tips. All right, so I'm going to the same video, and let me change the heading, and I will make it lead generation tips. It's looking good. And now here I'm going to select the very same. Here is my used icon element. I'm going to resize it to the previous version. You can see from here, and bring it to center, and first delete this one, bring this to center. So let's run this and check. So this element is not having the animation. I'm going to put the animation again, and here it is showing the animation and the okay. Now let's duplicate this slide again, and the third heading which I kept in the video step-by-step tutorial. So again I'm coming here and I'm going to change this heading, Control A. Let me select the whole, and I will do step dash by dash step tutorial. All right, let me adjust it to the center, and for step by step tutorial I used my, let me select, and I'm choosing it from my previous selected elements. This element is media element, so you can check in Canva that it is a media element, and it will be coming by itself. And I'm going to put the animation in this also, and this will give the animation. So okay, then here are the 3 slides, and now again I'm going to duplicate the slide, and the last slide is having my logo, the logo which I developed in Canva only. I will show how to make different types of logos, and the one I made was very simple. I didn't make it, I selected this element. This is just an element, and then you can also select any of the elements from logo designs and change the color to white first, and here you can write 3000 subscribers. All right, so I've written at this 3000 subscribers, and I'm going to give it an effect animation. The animation I'm going to change in this one is the one, no, sorry, the animation which I'm going to put this on this one is no, so this is a block animation, and I've kept the block animation, and you can see it is working like this. So now we have done all the things here. First of all, let me give some add some transitions between slides. Here is the add page button, and the below one is add transition. You can see the effects, and I'm going to give it this transition of dissolve. This is dissolve transition, and I'm going to give this dissolve transition and apply between all pages. I'm going to apply it for all pages, and this way you can see. Now I'm going to add some music to it in audio. This is the recent music which I selected. You can select your own as well. No, this was not the recently used. I used in this video, I used this one. Let me check the video, the audio. Yes, So I can select this as well. I like this one as well. Now let me put this. Yes, I used, you can see the part which is selected was this one, in this when all is over instrumental music. So here is the video, and hopefully you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Canva videos as and other tutorials. Thank you very much.